Hey guys, welcome back to my series on solving LeetCode problems. Now I'm solving the Excel sheet column number, which is similar to the previous one, which was Excel sheet column title. Unfortunately, my brain was malfunctioning. I was short-circuiting and I wasn't really solving it, so I already solved it. I tried to record the video before, took too long. Now I solved it. It's pretty simple, and I'm going to explain to you how I did it. So let's start from scratch. So what we want to do is, given a string column title that represents the column title as appears in an Excel sheet, return its corresponding column number. So A is the first, B second, Z 26, AA 27, A 28. So that means that ZZ is, let's see, ZZ is ZZ is 702. So AAA is 703. So one thing that we can do is, this one word, is, well, when there's a OR command that when we give a character, it returns the corresponding integer. So OR of A is 65, OR of Z is 90, and OR of Z minus OR of A is 25. So what do we want to do here? We want to calculate the total number that works from this. So I have some paint stuff here done. I'm going to erase all of it and do it again. So let's say we have the letter A. That's equal to 1. AA is equal to, how much was it? 27. AAA is equal to 703. And just for the sake of an example, AAB is 704. So what we can see is that, let's just go for A. I'm just going to A, which is this number, 703. We know that here we have a 1. No. So 1 here. And here, this A is the corresponding value of this A plus this A. We know that this A is 1, so this must be 26. And the last A is 704 minus 27. No, sorry, 703 minus 27, and this is the value of this A. 703 minus 27, 676. 676. So we already know that the difference between OR A and OR Z is 25. But that would be, we don't want a 25, we want a 26, because how many letters do we have in the alphabet? Just the caps. It's A to Z. It's 26. I'm even going to search it. How many letters in alphabet? 26 letters. So that makes sense because A corresponds to 26. So this value here is 1. This is 26, and this is 26 times 26. Yeah, or in other words, 26 to the power of 2. What if we add an extra a here? There was an extra a here. Let's just look at the solution. Test case a. The output is 8279, which is 18279 minus 703, because I'm subtracting this one over here. It's 17576, and that, if we do 26 to the power of 3, it's this value. So we can see that this is 1, and this is just a table of potencies of 26. So we can just iterate over the number over the characters in the string for character index and character in column title, and let's just iterate it the other way around. Let's go backwards so we can check the first, in this case, the y first and the z later. Let's just print char to make sure that it's working. Let's go for A, B, C, D. Oh yeah, of course, enumerate. DCBA. Okay, it's going the other way around. So what I want to do here is I want to, let's go back to A. I want to get the potency of 26. So it's 26 to the power of char index, which is going to be 0, then it's going to be 1, 2, 3. So final int is an integer that starts with 0. So I can just increment it. Now return final val, final int. Let's run this. 18279. This is 18279, that's true. But if it's 182, if it's AAAB, it won't really work. So what do we need to do? We need to, if we look at this, this is all A. So basically what we're doing is we're multiplying things by the value of A, which is 1. Because if it was B, then it's like double it. Double the same value that we have here. So it's, we multiply it by the value of the character. And the value of the character is, as we saw before, it's orth of character minus 65. Actually, 64, because we want A to be 1. Minus 64. So AAB should be 18280. 1800, 280. Let's go again. Oh, didn't put the breakpoint. Yeah, this works. So let's just submit the solution. Okay. It did worse than before, but I think it's just LeetCode being LeetCode. Did even worse now. One way we could optimize this, I think we can turn it into a one-liner with something such as return sum, and then we do like an operation here. So x for x in column title and enumerate column title minus 1. Let's see if we can turn this into a one-liner. X index x, and now we just do this, and we just replace chop with x. And I think we have a one-liner solution. Okay, it works. Still doing bad. But okay, I'm happy. Hope you guys enjoyed this.